Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share with you the 3 add-on kits available to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. So the Flavors of the Month is our bigger kit. It has 4 new collections each and every month. Our add-ons, we have cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishment add-ons. So you can make those kits go even further. You can pick 1, 2, or all 3 of them to add to your Flavors of the Month. Don't forget that our Shots of Life also coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so it's a perfect add-on as well. Let's dig in and take a closer look at everything that's in each one of these add-ons for you. We're going to start with the pattern paper, but I want you to see how well the cardstock coordinates with the pattern paper, and we'll get to it next. So for the pattern paper add-ons, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these are not duplicates. It won't be anything that you've received in the Flavors of the Month. It will be 2 additional pattern papers. So from Cartabella, Farm to Table, we have this paper with the vases of florals, and it's got that shiplap background. The back is a plaid in the green and the aqua, the peachy pink and the yellow. This one's called Bushels of Blooms. This one, Spice Up Your Life, has this kind of canvas background in the pink. And the back are all of these awesome little spice cans. These are so cute. Look at that pumpkin spice. You can even use that on some of your fall layouts. So these are perfect to cut out to add for embellishments. Line them up, make a little scene. That's a really great paper. From Photo Play Paper, Cabin Fever, we have this cut apart. This is called Go Play Outside. So we have the movie night, the lawn party, out hiking, the mountains, your bikes, tent in the backyard. The back is this awesome green plaid. We have this one, Morning Till Night, which the clouds and the sun. And the back is the night with the stars. From Cozy Days and Simple Stories, we have this floral paper in the pinks. And again, that kind of deep plum color. It's just beautiful. And the golden yellow plaid. That one's called Happy Foliday. This one's called Chilly Days. And this is a floral. Again, just beautiful. It's a little bit smaller print. And then that rusty color with the little pink flowers on it. From Vicki Boutin and Storyteller, we have this awesome paper here that has all of the paper piecings and that kind of rainbow design. And the back is I want to call it like a polka dot, but it's like a splattered polka dot on the black. It's an awesome paper. This one that has the text, awesome, good times, beautiful life, your story, hello. And then the back, this is a beautiful design in that turquoise print. So one more look at the pattern papers, which I always think this is fun to kind of look at all the B-sides and how well they could kind of play together. So that is your patterned paper add-on. Now let's take a look at the cardstock add-on. The cardstock add-on, you're going to receive 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So there'll be 1 of one color and 2 of another. So you can do single pages, double pages. You can mat your photos. You can do all kinds of things. So for Cartabella Farm to Home, you're going to get 2 sheets of aqua and 1 sheet of honeycomb. For the Photo Play Paper, Cabin Fever, you're going to get 2 sheets of lava and 1 sheet of Robin's Egg Blue. For the Simple Stories Cozy Day, you're going to get 2 sheets of quartz and 1 sheet of olive. For the Vicki Boutin Storyteller, you're going to get 2 sheets of butter and 1 sheet of pool. So again, having these out here like this, you can see all of the different colors that you're going to get to play with this month. Now let's move on to the embellishment add-on. For the embellishments, you're going to receive some fun embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with the Farm to Table from Cartabella, You're going to receive a lot of little die cuts here. There are tags and labels. Love the butter, the little roosters, home on the range, my roost. So of course these will vary, but they'll be very similar to this. So that's going to be half a pack of frames and tags from Cartabella for the farm to table. For photo play paper, Cabin Fever, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you're going to have lots of icons for all of those outdoor activities, from the trampoline to the tent, the corn pole, grilling and chilling. You have all of your ingredients for s'mores. That is so fun. And the little fire, radio. The little border strip down here is some grass. So lots of fun embellishments with that. For the Simple Stories Cozy Days, you're going to get 2 of the chipboard frames. So these will vary. I got a double frame and then a single one with the little raccoon. Super cute. And you're going to get a roll of washi tape, and those will vary as well. I got the one that's kind of that plum color with some little pink little splash marks. And from Vicki Booten's Storyteller, you're going to get half of the puffy stickers. So these will vary, but lots of titles on here as well as icons. So those will vary among your kids, but you'll get lots of fun puffy stickers. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. So one more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out all the other kits available in the store, as well as individual items that you can purchase and have added to your shipment. Come on over to the Facebook group and join in some of those challenges and see what everybody's creating. There is so much inspiration out there, as well as YouTube tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.